Hello everyone. Now I am going to start with Get Data. The Get Data is a feature that allows users to connect to various data sources and import data into their Power BI projects. When you click on Get Data in Power BI, you're presented with a wide range of options to connect to different data sources, including File, import data from files such as Excel workbooks, CSV files, XML files, JSON files, and more. Database, connect to databases like SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and others to import data tables and views. Azure, import data from Azure services such as Azure SQL Database, Azure Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure Cosmos DB, and more. Online services. Connect to online services like Google Analytics, Salesforce, Dynamics 365, Adobe Analytics, and others to import data directly from these services. Import data from other sources like SharePoint folders, OData feeds, web pages, Hadoop HDFS, Exchange, Active Directory, and more. Once you select a data source, Power BI guides you through the process of connecting to the data source, specifying any required credentials or authentication methods, and selecting the specific data tables or queries to import into your Power BI project. The Get Data feature in Power BI is one of the key functionalities that enables users to access and analyze data from a wide variety of sources, allowing them to create comprehensive reports and dashboards that provide insights into their data. So now I am uploading the Excel file to here with import mode. But 3 modes we can connect data. Type 1 is import mode, data and schema. Both are loaded and you can build the model. Type 2, direct query mode. Only schema is loaded and build the model. This is mostly available. Take less time for data refresh compare with import mode, but few of the DAX functions not supported. Type 3 live connections. Only schema is loaded and build the model. This is mostly available for analysis services and Power BI datasets and tabular models. It will take less time for data refresh compare with direct query mode, but few of the DAX functions not supported. Then next recent sources. By using this we can see the directly connected source. Next one, Lake Data Hub. It means Power BI Fabric data, so we can connect with Power BI datasets and data marts, Data Warehouse, Lakehouse, KQL Database. Then next SQL Server. By using this we can connect with SQL Database. Then next Data Editor. By using this, we can create the table entering values manually, then use this as per requirements. Then next Dataverse also, or one of the source connection to pull the data